Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial. Today we will be doing another DIY press on nails using the Beetles full cover nail tips. So right here I am just pushing back my cuticles, and then I use my diamond bit to clean more around this area, and then later I will be buffing out the full cover nail tips, filing them, buffing them, and then beginning the tutorial. And by the way guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. I'm so grateful and so appreciative of each and every one of you guys. I'm just using some Dollar Tree glue that I got and placing on the nails. I sometimes use either nail glue or I cure it under a UV lamp with a base coat, but here I wanted to show you something different, another way you can put these nails on, and it works just as great. These polishes are from the Dollar Tree as well, and so is this cosmetic wedge. So here what I'm doing, I'm placing both the colors of my choice, and then I will be applying it onto the nail. This is an easier way that you can create a beautiful ombre, and then you just clean up the sides of the nail once you are done. Now that I've applied the colors, I am using the Kiss Gel Shine, and I'm applying it to all my nails as a top coat. So here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.